In this Product Photo AI review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software, and by the end, you'll know whether it's the right tool to level up your product photography game. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last point, as it might just change the way you look at AI in digital marketing. First off, what is Product Photo AI? It's an AI-powered tool that makes creating professional product photos incredibly easy. Whether you're a small business owner, e-commerce seller, or digital marketer, Product Photo AI can transform your images without needing complex editing skills or expensive equipment. It uses deep learning algorithms to enhance, improve, and even generate product images based on your input. But what makes Product Photo AI stand out from other tools on the market? Well, for one, it offers automated background removal. This feature is a game changer for e-commerce businesses that want clean, polished images in no time. No more fiddling with the pen tool in Photoshop. Product Photo AI does it automatically and accurately, saving you hours of work. Next, let's talk about the image enhancement capabilities. If you have an existing product photo that just doesn't look as sharp or vibrant as you want, Product Photo AI has a powerful enhancement feature that will instantly make your product images pop. It adjusts brightness, contrast, sharpness, and even color tones to make your product stand out, looking professional with minimal effort. One of the coolest things about Product Photo AI is its ability to generate realistic product mockups. Instead of trying to stage your products in a real-life setting or using expensive mockup generators, Product Photo AI lets you upload your product, choose the background or environment, and create realistic, high-quality product shots in just a few clicks. This is especially great for marketers who need compelling visuals for ads, websites, or social media content. Another standout feature is the image optimization for multiple platforms. Product Photo AI automatically resizes your product images to fit the ideal dimensions for different platforms, whether it's an online store, social media, or digital ads. This saves you from having to manually adjust each image to match the specific requirements of each platform. For e-commerce stores that need consistent visuals, Product Photo AI allows you to create a style template. Once you set the desired look for your photos, you can apply it across multiple images, ensuring your product shots have a uniform and professional appearance throughout your website or online store. The software is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for those who may not be tech-savvy. It's cloud-based, meaning there's no need to install heavy software or worry about system requirements. All you need is an internet connection and you're good to go. Plus, with its intuitive interface, even beginners can dive in and start creating stunning product photos right away. And here's the best part. You can try Product Photo AI completely free from the first link below. That's right, no risk, no commitment. Just test it out for yourself and see how it works with your own product images. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that after testing thousands of AI software tools, I've handpicked a few others that I believe are top tier for digital marketing, image enhancement, and product photography. You can find my recommended AI tools in the description below, so be sure to check them out and get started with the best ones for your needs. To sum up, Product Photo AI is a must-try if you want to streamline your product photography process, enhance your images, and generate stunning visuals in minutes. It's user-friendly, efficient, and packed with powerful features that can take your marketing to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Product Photo AI today and let me know your thoughts in the comments.